welcome back to my channel. So Christmas is around the corner, and so I thought, why don't we make a paper Christmas tree? And you will need very minimal requirements, so which is easily available at your home. So without much explanation, let's get into the video. But first, subscribe to my channel, and now let's get to the video. So first you will need this type of mount board. If you don't have, don't worry, you can use thin cardboard also, because we are going to roll it into a cone. Now I'll just cover it with a green pastel paper. You can even color it with green color if you don't have green pastel color paper or anything like that. So I have glued it, as you can see. Now I'm going to roll it. I know it is a little bit difficult to roll it because the shape will take time to get it, but the process is very fast, so it will not take you much time to get the actual cone shape. So yeah, after that just glue the end point, and now I will just shape the edges to give it a leveled piece, as you can see, so that it can stand like this, how I'm showing in the video. Now take a piece of paper, that same green paper, and just double it. I don't know why I doubled the opposite side again. Anyways, just double it like this, then again fold it kind of like this, and now we're going to cut the fringes. So it's very easy to cut actually. Just follow the steps I'm doing, and yeah. Now this is a very satisfying step. I mean, I was very satisfied to see the texture. Now I'm just going to cut from the middle also, so that I get a long chain, and I glued it. Now to make it a little bit curved, I just did it with the help of scissor. We do with the gifts ribbon. Now I'll just apply glue, and step by step I'll be attaching the fringes that we made earlier like this. This is a very easy process, guys, and believe me, you will really enjoy the entire process. You need to cover the whole cone to make or to give a very pine tree texture, and it's an easy process. Now I'll just cover it whole, and as you can see, it looks very beautiful, guys. As you can see, I've covered it whole. It's looking very full of, or filled up, I should say. And now let's make the star, because it's incomplete without it. I'm just making the stand by rolling the paper, and I'll insert it like this, how I'm showing. Just follow the process. It is very easy to make. You can make it you can make it within 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's make the star. I know this is the only simplest way to get the real shape of a star. Also, if you recreate any of this DIY, then please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your recreations. And yeah, so I have made this star, and it looks beautiful. Hope you like this video. See you on my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.